If you're currently sitting on the fence about upgrading your adventure watch, you need to hear this. The rumor mill for the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro has shifted from quiet speculation to a deafening roar. If the latest supply chain leaks, tracking reports, and industry patent filings from Garmin's headquarters are even halfway accurate, we are looking at a complete industry reset. The Garmin Fenix series has long been the gold standard for athletes, explorers, and tech enthusiasts who demand the absolute peak of wearable hardware. While previous generations like the Fenix 8 brought beautiful AMOLED integration, voice assistant controls, and a refined design that turned the Fenix from a purely utilitarian tool into a piece of daily wear luxury, they still left room for improvement. The upcoming Garmin Fenix 9 Pro is poised to be the massive refinement that serious outdoor enthusiasts have been dreaming about. By digging through leaked schematics, tracking the latest patent filings from Garmin's development philosophy, and analyzing how the brand has defined the outdoor smartwatch market for over a decade, we can construct a detailed picture of this highly anticipated flagship. Whether you are an ultra-runner tackling grueling 100-mile mountain races, a backcountry hiker who relies on rock-solid navigation to survive, or a hardware enthusiast who wants the most capable computer strapped to your wrist, this is your ultimate guide to the future of the Fenix series. For years, the smartwatch market has been trapped in a frustrating tug-of-war between high-definition visual punch and outdoor legibility. On one side, we have memory-in-pixel (MIP) displays, which excel in direct sunlight and sip battery power but look muted, dull, and outdated indoors. On the other side, we have gorgeous AMOLED screens that boast brilliant contrast and vibrant colors but struggle under direct, midday sun while draining battery reserves at a rapid rate. The latest whispers from supply chain suggest that the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro might be the device that finally kills this debate once and for all. Rumors indicate that Garmin is testing a next-generation hybrid display architecture. Some reports point toward an ultra-high nit AMOLED panel that can push a peak brightness of 3,000 to 4,500 nits. This massive leap in raw brightness would allow the screen to easily overpower direct sunlight, maintaining pristine readability in even the harshest desert environments. To combat the massive battery drain that typically accompanies such high-brightness screens, Garmin is rumored to be employing a much more aggressive variable refresh rate, VRR. By dropping the screen's refresh rate down to 1 Hz or even lower when displaying static data, the watch can stay on continuously without inducing the standard battery anxiety we associate with modern AMOLED panels. If Garmin successfully nails this hybrid display integration, they will have solved the final major complaint of the AMOLED transition. The result will be a display that looks just as jaw-droppingly sharp on a mountain peak in direct sunlight as it does during a formal presentation in your corporate office. A stunning display is only as good as the computing brain behind it. Currently, one of the biggest bottlenecks in flagship multisport watches is the rendering speed of highly detailed, complex topographical maps. When you're deep in the backcountry trying to coordinate a route, panning across, or zooming in a map coordinates can often feel sluggish. The watch has to load multiple vector layers, elevation contours, and points of interest on a low-power system, leading to noticeable frame drops and lag. To resolve this issue, leaks suggest that the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro will be paired with a highly refined, custom co-processing chipset designed specifically to handle vector graphics and spatial rendering. This processing unit is engineered to eliminate the annoying lag when you are navigating on the fly. This is not just about aesthetic frames per second. It is a critical utility. When you are moving at high speed, whether descending a technical mountain trail on a bike or navigating trail intersections during a fast-paced run, you need your map data to be instantaneous. A faster, more efficient custom processor also opens the floodgates for deeper, more complex on-device analytics. Instead of waiting to sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone, the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro is rumored to handle advanced algorithmic processing directly on your wrist. This localized processing keeps you fully in the zone, allowing you to review real-time biometric changes, training loads, and navigational adjustments without ever needing to pull out your phone. When you step off the grid, Your connection to the sky is your ultimate safety net. Garmin has always set the benchmark for satellite tracking, but the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro is expected to take this a step further with an entirely redesigned antenna array. We are tracking patent filings for a highly advanced, re-engineered antenna system. This design is rumored to support not just standard dual-band or multi-band GNSS, but a true tri-band GNSS system. By utilizing 3 distinct frequency bands simultaneously from multiple global satellite constellations, including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, the watch is poised to become the most accurate consumer-grade GPS device ever strapped to a wrist. This technological leap is highly valuable for anyone who operates in extremely challenging signal environments, such as deep, narrow canyons, heavy forest canopies, or dense urban concrete jungles where signal reflection, multi-path interference, typically ruins GPS tracks. Tri-band capability ensures that your pace metrics, distance calculations, and path tracking remain dead-on, regardless of environmental obstacles. Furthermore, rumors are circulating about deeper, native integration of direct-to-satellite messaging safety features. Moving away from requiring a paired secondary device, the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro could feature direct emergency satellite pinging capabilities. This set-it-and-forget-it safety net means that for most standard expeditions, the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro could completely replace the need to carry a separate, heavy satellite communicator, reducing your pack weight while keeping you securely connected to emergency services. Garmin's health and wellness tracking has always focused on the long game, gathering continuous data to paint a comprehensive picture of your body's stress and recovery.